Okay, hi YouTube and hi, Lobers, and I'm fixing to show you one of my cap guns in the series. It's a strip cap die-cast metal lawman pistol. I made it shorter. You want to see me fire it? Leaves a ring in my ear, so it may work. Here we go. Yeah, that worked. And it's a strip cap, so yeah, I gotta get it fixed. Yeah, there we go. Oh, you can fire it again. Nothing. Yeah, that's much better. Now, just get this thing reloaded. There we go. Leaves a little ring in my ear, so you may want to focus. Yeah, that's cool. Leaves a ring. Oh, yeah, that's much better. Now that worked. We got some good sparks. So it leaves a ringing in my ears, so you know that. There we go. Now we got a puff and a lot of smoke. Give me a moment to reload it. Go. Oh, I have the nerve of weapons. All that. Oh, nothing. There we go. A little puff, but it worked. Come on. Give me some big bang! Yeah, that's a lot louder. Come on, give me the big bang. No big bang. Come on. Come on, come on. On the big bang. Oh well. We tried. Subscribe for this gun because I can recommend you can get one of those, and also my brother's toy double-barreled shotgun toy does have trigger action. So leave a subscribe and a like. See ya.